Hi, I'm Patsy Bishop with Illinois Extension, and today we're going to make easy hummus dip. For this recipe, you will need 1 can 15-ounce garbanzo beans, chickpeas, drain and save liquid, rinse beans. 1½ teaspoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 3 tablespoons reserved bean liquid, 1/8 teaspoon salt. Place all ingredients into a food processor or blender. Process together until a smoother consistency. Serve with whole wheat pita bread, pretzels, or veggie sticks. And this is our easy hummus dip.
Eat, move, save.